option to make your trip particularly special is a stay in one of the top hotels in Times Square. One of the busiest areas in New York City, Times Square offers a variety of family-friendly attractions. We've put together a list of the top hotels in Times Square if you want to be close to the excitement. The top luxury hotels in Times Square not only have the best locations, but also have stunning interiors and up-to-date amenities that will make you feel at home. Continue watching to learn where to get the ideal lodging. Also, before we start, subscribe to our channel. Number 1. The Hyatt Centric. First off, the Hyatt Centric Times Square, New York is a great hotel with modern amenities in Times Square. You can walk to a wide variety of eateries, bars, and sites thanks to its superb location. The hotel's rooms are modest but attractive and have sizable windows that look out into the city. You'll enjoy a refrigerator, coffee machine, and private bathroom, twin vanities, a bathtub, and a sizable shower. Family suites and private balconies are features of some of the rooms. This establishment, one among the greatest hotels in Times Square, New York, features lovely public spaces and eating options. Contemporary American food is served at the on-site restaurant, and Bar 54 has one of New York City's best rooftop bars. You can eat outside on the patio or inside in the indoor dining area, which is on the 54th floor of the hotel. The Hyatt Centric is a fantastic place to stay whether you're traveling for business or pleasure because it features a business center and a 24-hour gym. Price: $401 per night. Number 2. Citizen New York Times Square. The Citizen New York Times Square, a chic boutique hotel in Times Square, offers an additional option. Couples looking for a welcoming and trendy place to stay after a long day will love this chic apartment. The hotel's rooms have city views, but the outdoor terraces and rooftop bar also have stunning panoramas. The hotel's rooms are furnished with contemporary art and tasteful design, similar to the public spaces, making for a restful stay. You will have a fridge in your room, iPad-controlled lighting, temperature control, and curtains, as well as a TV with Chromecast, Netflix, and other streaming services. A rooftop bar with panoramic views, a daily breakfast buffet with hot and cold items, and 24-hour food and beverage service are all available at the Citizen New York. Price: $390 per night. Number 3. Knickerbocker Hotel. The Knickerbocker Hotel is yet another fantastic place to stay right in the middle of Times Square. It's close to Bryant Park, Broadway, and a number of upscale stores. Additionally, the staff is excellent and can set up in room dining as well as other amenities for you. The rooms themselves are bright, fresh, and contemporary. The blackout curtains aid in establishing a peaceful and dark sleeping environment when it's time for bed. The suites are exceptionally large and many of the rooms enjoy views of the city. The warm and welcoming atmosphere and the private restrooms, which come with lighted mirrors and free robes, are what distinguish this establishment as one of the best in Times Square. In addition to these features, the Knickerbocker also offers a coffee shop and a gym, but even without them, it is one of the most attractive hotels in Times Square, New York. Price: $340 per night. Number 4. The Luma Hotel. You can easily get to other areas of the city from the Luma Hotel Times Square because it is adjacent to a number of popular sites and a subway stop. This is one of the top family hotels in Times Square if you're traveling with children because it offers a lot for the money and additional benefits. The accommodations have spacious, spotless rooms with modern conveniences. An espresso coffee maker, a TV, motorized blackout shades, and a seating space are all included. Free slippers and bathrobes are also available in the private bathrooms to make you comfortable. I highly recommend staying at this hotel if you're in New York City over the holidays because it's the ideal location to watch the New Year's ball drop. An upscale lobby bar and a continental breakfast buffet with a selection of hot and cold meals can be found in the hotel's other areas. The Italian restaurant, which specializes in fresh seafood and has a sizable wine list, is also worthwhile visiting. It's the ideal place to eat dinner before going out or to the theater. Price: $355 per night. Before we continue to this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Number 5. The Rio Plaza. One of the greatest hotels close to Times Square is the Rio Plaza, New York Times Square, which is where I advise staying if you're traveling as a couple. The building is well guarded, and there is a polite concierge on duty who can show you to your spotless room. Choose from one of our luxurious guest rooms or suites with beautiful views, cozy lighting, and modern furnishings. You'll have artwork, floor-to-ceiling windows, a mini fridge, a desk, and a TV in your room. There are family suites and balconies available, and each room has an own bathroom. The amenities plus the stylish and cozy decor make this one of the greatest hotels in Times Square for couples. There is a modern gym open around the clock, a shared balcony, luggage storage, a coffee shop, and a delectable buffet. Daily breakfast is also provided for free, and if you select half board, you won't have to worry about meal costs. Last but not least, the hotel's location is excellent because you'll be close to the best sites, stores, and eateries in the neighborhood. Price: $300 per night. Number 6. The New York Marriott Marquis. Check out the New York Marriott Marquis if you want to take advantage of all that Times Square has to offer. The greatest hotel suites in Times Square are available there, and they're great for unwinding in after a night out. The Rockefeller Center and Radio City Music Hall are both only 0.5 miles from the property, so you can stay out late without worrying about making it back to your lodging. Coffee and tea-making facilities are provided in the rooms, and the Marriott-branded linen promotes restful sleep at night. A TV with a Netflix app and a separate marble bathroom are also included. The Marriott Marquis, a boutique hotel in Times Square, is stunning and equipped with everything you need to enjoy your stay. There is a meeting space for business travelers, for instance, and there is luggage storage and parking accessible. Additionally, there are 3 eating options and an amazing atrium gym. While the View restaurant offers 4-course meals accompanied by digital animations, Revel and Rye Bar and Restaurant is a chic and cozy dining establishment. Take advantage of the outdoor seating and 360-degree views of Times Square in the lounge on the 8th level. Priced: $250 per night. Number 7. The Renaissance New York Times Square Hotel. One of the top hotels close to Times Square is the Renaissance New York Times Square Hotel, which is located over in the Theater District. It is tasteful both inside and out, and it has parking, so you won't have to worry about it while you're away. This is one of the best hotels near Times Square because of the wonderful accommodations. Choose between a terrace room or a suite with a view of Broadway to take advantage of the floor-to-ceiling windows, soft beds, and modern furnishings. Dark oak furniture, gold accents, and tea and coffee service are found in every room. There are pet-friendly accommodations available, and terrace suites come with an own balcony with lounge chairs and artificial turf. However, the hotel's restaurant or lounge has huge windows that offer a panoramic view of Times Square, so you can also enjoy magnificent views from there. It's a lively and colorful location with a dining room and bar seating, making it ideal for seasonal cocktails and small meals. Priced $233 per night. Number 8. Intercontinental New York Times Square. Another property I suggest is the Intercontinental New York Times Square because of its well-kept, comfortable rooms, strategic location, and practical amenities. It's one of the greatest hotels in Times Square because it's adjacent to many well-known sites and multiple New York City metro stations. The hotel offers a superb daily breakfast, and the courteous staff and concierge are available to assist with making dinner reservations and purchasing theater tickets. Even while Stinger Cocktail Bar and Kitchen also provides a la carte options and handcrafted cocktails, the dinner menu is still something to check out. This is one of the nicest hotels in Times Square with a view because the rooms have floor-to-ceiling windows. You'll also enjoy a mini bar and a coffee maker, as well as views of the Hudson River and the Manhattan skyline. After a long day of sightseeing, you may unwind in the spa baths with walk-in showers in addition to the sumptuous mattresses and soothing lounging places. Price: $200 per night. Number 9. The Muse New York. Another excellent hotel in a prime location in Times Square is the Muse New York. You will be in the center of Manhattan's Midtown because it is close to the Theater District, Rockefeller Center, and Central Park. The Muse's spacious rooms, which include TVs, work desks, and well-lit bathrooms with soaking tubs, also let you relax in some peace and quiet. Couples will appreciate the elegant style of the rooms and suites, which are perfect for them. However, there are pet-friendly lodging options, so families will also like staying here. The building, a boutique hotel in Times Square, is decorated with modern art and stylish furnishings. There is a lovely fitness facility and yoga studio if you wish to keep up with your exercise. You might even schedule an in-room spa treatment if you'd rather relax. The Muse Bar is a somber, cozy location that's ideal for cocktails and a pre-Broadway play dinner, so visit there when you become hungry. Price: $150 per night. Number 10. The Times Square Edition. The Times Square Edition is one of the top hotels in Times Square to check out because it is one of the best 5-star hotels in NYC. It distinguishes itself with a modern white interior and an abundance of vegetation that provides a beautiful backdrop for your time in the city. The welcoming hotel lobby is the first thing you'll see when you arrive, and the courteous and welcoming staff will welcome you there. They will lead you to your room or suite, which has a mini bar and floor-to-ceiling windows. Despite being somewhat tiny, the rooms are elegantly furnished and well-designed. Choose a double room or balcony suite to benefit from the improved seating spaces and deep soaking baths. Price: $120 per night. If you enjoyed watching this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next video.